Hey everybody, it's Cassie. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I have a small little haul from Trinity Stamps. You know, I'm just in love with them. And I have another one coming. How sad is that? Because they have a new release out and I should have just waited and got it all together, but I couldn't. So let's go ahead and take a look at what I got. Here's a little thank you. I love how they do that. I think it's just so cute. So this is all stuff that they are just, they throw in there. A Trinity thank you, and they must know me because I love tea. And it comes with a little, oh yummy, a little wafer. We've got a little tea bag, and then look at that combo. Oh my gosh, that's like a combo of some of the, I think some of the ones that they have in the store, which is fabulous. Look at that, it's like all underwater. Oh, there's like these little fish in there. Look at how cute that is. The starfish, I have that one. This one looks like almost like a turtle shell. This is really great. Little dolphins, other little sequins. This is fabulous. That would be such a good little shaker. Love it. So there is that. I did get some more of the Darice. These are the skinny strips adhesive. Not adhesive, well it is adhesive, but it's a foam strip. And they're just the real thin ones, and I really, really like those. I was about out, so I got one of those. Probably just going to have to go ahead and add more to my list for next time too. And then had to get this little guy. This is the Mouse House. I thought it would coordinate so wonderfully with the brand new little one. Where are you? Had to get this one because I thought it would coordinate so beautifully with our little bunny burrow. So you could have like, you could have a little neighborhood. So we've got the little Mouse House, which has 3 little mice, a little snail, and you've got a couple different kinds of mushrooms, a little piece of cheese, there's a mushroom there too, a little grass. And then the sentiments say, hey fungi, have a mice day, so thankful for you, and cheese, which, yes, in a nutshell, I am too. And then I got the matching die to go with it. Love it. That's so fun. But yeah, I have a video out already. If you haven't seen, I'll have it linked down below, but I did one with the bunny burrow and I did a slimline. But wouldn't it be fun to coordinate those together? I did have to go ahead and get this set. This is a sentiment for almost everything, because I'm finding that I'm kind of limited on my sentiments for what I do have for Trinity, and so I definitely wanted to get more. So we've got Happy Father's Day, Let's Get Together, Happy Mother's Day, thank you so much, Happy Anniversary, I'm so proud of you, Happy Thanksgiving, wish you were here, Happy Valentine's Day, sending many blessings your way, congrats on your new addition, I'm so sorry for your loss, you've been on my mind, I miss you, Merry Christmas, congratulations, Happy Graduation, Happy Halloween, Happy Everything, Happy Retirement, for your wedding day, hi, we make a great team, safe travels, praying for you, just because, thank you teacher, Happy New Year, Happy Easter, on your new, and then you've got home and job, baby, get well soon, happy birthday, thanks coach, hello, and you've got this. I love that. Thought that was great. So now I've got a sentiment for almost everything. And then I really wanted this this stencil, and oh my goodness, it's slipping my mind as to what this one is called. Let me look. Layered Birch. So it's a 4-piece layering stencil set. So let's pull this out. This is the layering birch. With it becoming, you know, it's almost fall now. Let me pull this out. And you know what? I'm going to do like I always do. I'm just going to go ahead and cut that open, because I can't stand when the sticky loses its sticky. So let's pull that out. And it looks like we also have the negatives too, which is kind of cool. So here's our one stencil. So there's a lot to this. This one has the little negatives that go with it. So you can mask, which is nice. You can mask over the top. Just use a little bit of Pixie Spray is what I might suggest if you're trying to put those over the top of something. So lightly, you know, spray on the back of the little birch trees, and then you can stick them over the top if you're concerned about getting stuff on top of them. But that's nice that you've got the stencil and the mask that goes with it. Then we also have, what's going on there? a little stray piece. It's just stuck. There we go. This next piece, which we've got the stencils for it as well. And then, so these can go over the top of each other, and you'll have, you could do different types of levels to it. So you might want a real light piece in the background, lighter trees in the background, darker trees towards the front. And then we've got this next one that would even be darker still if you really wanted. And once again, you've got all the masks that go with it. And then, oh, this is nice. Okay, so you've got all the masks, which is wonderful. And then you even have these parts, so these could be masked for your hills, because this last piece has, and I wouldn't keep all the little leaves, but this last piece you could put over the top, and then you can have snowdrift, or you could mask off your snowdrift, and you've got two sides to a snowdrift. So this stencil has a ton of usability as far as your scene building goes. So I really, really like that. And I'll bet you could even extend it out further. Obviously you could extend for your slim line if you really, really wanted to. But you could put leaves down. So if you want a fall scene, great. If you don't want leaves, you don't have to have leaves, because maybe you just want a winter scene, or some sort of, I don't know. But I like that it has all these masks that go with it. So that is fabulous. And I'll bet you could do like this and then probably flip it over and have even more leaves. So there you go. There are 4 stencils with this one, but this has a lot of usability. I'm very excited about that. Love having all those masks too, so that's great. Okay, so that does it for now. I am going to have more. No, that isn't it. That isn't it. I almost forgot my embellishments. You know, when I make an order through Trinity, I've got to throw in some embellishments. I just can't help myself. And this time I went with stars. So this first one is Itty Bitty Black Stars. They're 3D star confetti. And these are beautiful. But check those out. So they have a little bit of, you know, they're kind of 3D. They're not the clay ones or anything like that. Let's see if I can get, let me get out my tidy tray, so you can get a little bit of a look at them. I'll just kind of sprinkle those in there and see if you can get a good look. But there's like different colors of them, and they do have, they're a little bit 3D. Might be hard to tell, but I love that. So these would be great for shakers, or just even putting right directly onto your cards, which I think is awesome. Still making a mess. And then, oops. So these babies are, and they always pack these so full. So you are getting a lot. And then I have this one, which is the white stars. So, and it kind of spilled out a little bit in there. There we go. Let me get those out of the way. But let's take a look at these. These are also Itty Bitty White. All right, sorry about that. My camera died. All right, let's talk quickly before it dies again. But these are the tiny little 3D stars that you see. These are just so pretty. They almost have like a pink hue to them in certain lights, but they are beautiful. And so I had to get those as well. So I'm going to have everything linked down below that I purchased, and keep an eye out because I will have some more stuff from the new release out, or that's just recently been put out. Yeah, but if you liked this video, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe so that you don't miss anything. And yeah, thanks for stopping by, and I will see you very soon in another video. Bye, everybody.